Beep boop bop, it's Becca and welcome back to Baking with Becca. So today we are back in the kitchen and we're going to be making some homemade applesauce. So I made this the other day for the first time and it was incredible. The apples added such a nice sweetness to it and cinnamon, and it's going to be delicious, so here we go. So here are all of our ingredients for applesauce. Start over here. We have 4 apples, half a cup of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, a pinch of salt, and cinnamon. So we're going to start off by peeling our apples. So these apples we got from the farm. So they're pretty fresh, even though they were in cold storage because it is May. But it'll be good to get some sweet apples. If they're tartar, you can just add more sugar to the recipe. But you can really just go with whatever apples you like because that's what the applesauce will taste like. Now that the apples are all peeled, you're ready to start cutting them. So I think it's nice to cut them into pretty small pieces because then they're going to cook faster, so you won't have to cook it as long. So what I like to do is cut it into little slivers like this. Then once you have the slivers, you can turn it on its side. You can cut it one way, and then cut it the other way into little cubes. And it's okay if they're not all the same size. And then go ahead and put those into your pot. And then go ahead and cut all of your apple. So all of our apples are chopped up and in our pan, our saucepan, and then you want to add all of your other ingredients. So your water. Something nice about this recipe is that you don't need to have perfect apples to be able to make it. Like these apples are a little bit more mealy and a little mushier than I like, and so I think it tastes better in applesauce form. And your sugar. Also nice that you don't have that much added sugar, but it will be plenty sweet. A little bit of vanilla just to bring out all of the flavors. And also a little bit of salt to bring out the flavors. And then cinnamon is however much you like. I like to go a little bit heavier on the cinnamon, but you just put in as much as you like. So I'll start off with that amount of cinnamon, and then you can always just add more. And then go ahead and mix this up. Now you're going to put this over medium heat for about 15 minutes. You're going to cook it, you're going to cover it for some of the time, mix it for some of the time, cover it, and you're going to cook it until the apples are very soft. They don't have to be mushed up in here, just make sure that they're soft. So this cooked for about 10 minutes and it got nice and soft, as you can see. And it already smells so good. It pretty much just smells like an apple pie. So now we're going to transfer this into a bowl. Make sure it's a bowl that can have hot things in it. And now while it's still very warm and soft, you're going to use a fork to mash up all of the chunks of apple. So I like to get a lot of the big chunks out, but I think that it's nice to have like some small pieces in there too, just to have nice texture and flavor. So keep mashing until it is the consistency that you like. Okay, so we've been mashing for like 10 minutes and is now at the consistency that we like. So I think that applesauce is best when it's cold. So I'm going to transfer this into a container that will then sit in the fridge until it is chilled, and then I will eat probably all of it faster than I should. But overall, this recipe only took about 30 minutes. It's super easy, really simple, and tastes amazing. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you want to see some more videos. Let me know what you think of this one by leaving a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.